Today in this video I'm gonna explain Sideload IPA with DNS AntiCert. Install IPA files on iOS, no revoke. Here's a step-by-step process based on the content you provide. Open your browser on your iOS device. Go to the website mentioned in the description or provided link. Scroll down the web page until you find the section labeled DNS Custom. Click on Install DNS. Allow the notification when promoted. The profile will be downloaded and a message will appear indicating the download is complete. Click Close. Go back to your home screen. Open the Settings app. Tap on Profile to install the DNS profile. Click Install and enter your security passcode if promoted. Follow the instructions to complete the installation. After installation, verify that DNS custom is installed. Return to the website. Download the IPA files you want to install. If the first certificate link doesn't work, try another until you find one that works successful. After the CT files have finished downloading, open the IPA files you have chosen for installation. Import the certificate you downloaded earlier. Make sure you import the certificate correctly. Import the IPA files you want to install. Make sure the IPA file is the application file of the desired version. After importing, verify that the IPA files have been successfully installed. You may encounter a message indicating the certificate has been revoked, but the installation should still succeed. Go back to your home screen to view the installed IPA files. Verify the apps in Device Management or VPN and Device Management in the General settings. Ensure the DNS custom is trusted. Now you can use the installed IPA files as desired. The process should enable you to sideload IPA files with DNS anti-revocation on iOS without encountering revoke issues. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.